So step 1, make circle. So if you draw your circle is perfect, okay, correct. Okay, correct circle if you make it. So your shape is coming very nicely. Okay. So I create over here to glass, so you can erasing this part. এখন চান করলে প্রথম চান কখন করবেন? Circle, another circle, okay. And then you can erase this construction circles. Okay, it is the first circle I'm creating for construction builder. Okay, so I can erase this circle properly. Okay, so here is a nice one circle. And here is one circle. Okay, and there is a very nice hairstyle. Okay, hairstyle. This is a hairstyle. This is a glass. So you can make in some glass frame. Okay, this is a glass frame. Make once more frame over here, glass frame, like this. And now here I can create the eyes. Okay, small. See, eyeball. Okay, here's simple cute eyes over here. Okay. So make it like this. Okay, simple, small. And here the mouth I make it here. Okay. See, here I can make the mouth. So just go to here initially. So this is a lower part body, right? So I just first make it the dress. Okay, one like this. Okay, so here's a hand. This is a dress. Here I put here is the hand. Okay, this is the hand. right? There's the hand. In hand some uh, gun kind of, or some, this is music instrument. Okay, they're using some music instrument. And very small legs you can put about over here. Okay. Okay. Take times and make it आराम से करो. Small leg. Okay. Here's some boot. Like this. This is the dress. Okay, so you can put the bottom. And here some the small pockets, right? Small pocket over here. So creates amazing, incredible this character. Okay. Take time. So here this by creating the two circle, right? The basic shape is this is two circle. Okay, and this two circle. Yes, beta. Take time now. So I first tone I put the color yellow. Little orange color shadings I put inside. Okay. For the looks more nice shadings. And for this part we are making some greenery. Okay. Like Prussian blue. I put Prussian blue. Hi Akhilesh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Very nice. Nice to see you. Plus, so we are making some design. Okay. I just one colors are not good. I just draw this. If the both character together, how looks? Okay. After finish the color, you just go ahead to this. After finish the color, you go ahead to this. Okay. কোথায় গেল বলতো গায়েব হয়ে? Just now, here make some line like this. This is a hand. Another hand is a hold on the pencil or brush. Pencil. Okay, to the pencil. Okay, so there hold on this pencil in hand. See, this is I make it no need color. I just draw it. So how if you want to make this two character. Like this, both are standing. Like this.